So in this video, we are going to look at how to create tabs in mobile design. So we are going to start with how to create tabs in design. So tabs are quite different from navigation bars actually. So let's look at how to create tabs. So let's say, for example, most of the tabs are in kind of text. They always represent text, I guess. So let's say I have something like this, or let's say the size is size 14. I can put it in auto layout. Let me try to bold it. Let me try to bold it and something like this. And let's say the next one is, let's say this one is not going to be bold. Let's say it's regular or light, and let's say something like this. I can call this one, let's say, scent. Let's call this scent. Set it to auto layout, and let's use this one to replace the content. Okay, we have some issues with our content, so we have some issues there. So let's say this one. Okay, let's say we have something like this. I think something like this is okay. Oh no, I don't want the content to be replaced. I just want this one's turn to org, turn to org, turn to org, and let's say I'm okay with this one. So let's say we have all sent received. That's the content we are working with. Let me make this one size 20. Okay, perfect. So when all is active, let's say it's have a stroke under it, and the stroke is, let's say, 2, and it's having a blue stroke just at the bottom area to show that all is active while the other ones are not active. So I'm going to just bring it out. Let me add a fill color to it. Perfect. I'm going to bring it out, and now it's almost similar to how to design navbar also. So what I'm going to do now is going to convert it to component. Let's call it tabs menu tabs. So I'll call it menu tabs, and I'm going to create a variant of it. This one, let's call it sent, or the next one, let's call it received, and the last one, let's call it archived. So what we need to do is to ensure that sent is actually sent with the property. So let me use this blue here, and width is at the bottom. This is 2. Why this one has no this, and this one is turned to semi-bold. Why this one is set to light. So I'm just going to fast the process for us. Okay, so we have it as this. We can see all is active here, sent is active here, receive is active here, and archived is active here. So if you need it in your design, just take a copy of it out, and you can easily use it in your design. So let's say I need to change this one to probably to send, to received, to archived. So that's just the process. It's kind of similar to this one also. Let me bring this one out. It's kind of similar also. We can see just different style: received, completed, pending. Just different style of how to design the tab. So finally I'm going to do for this one. So you can see you have your menus, tab 2, tab 3, tab 4, which is also quite similar to your navbar also. It's quite similar to how your navbar behaves. So we have the home active, network active, post active, notify active, and jobs active.